I want to say 1, 2, 3. Eu ako. Hello guys, I'm here today to share with everyone. It's the difficult moment for me, difficult day. I take a decision to leave the club, to accept a new challenge. I come here to send a direct message to everyone. The first thing to say thank you for all these 4 years together, all this amazing moment we share together. I arrived here 4 years ago. Since the first day, all the supporters received me here in Makassar, like my family. They show me a lot of love, a lot of respect, and this made me feel at home. After these four years here at the club, where we won the league on my first season, and on these 2 last season, I have the honor to be one of the captain of the team. I'm so proud of it. I want to say to the supporters, thank you for all these years together, all this moment in Pare, all the moment in Calegoa. I want to say thank you. It's time to accept a new challenge. It's just professional thing. Nothing between me and the club. No problems, nothing. It's just a professional decision. I have a good relationship with everybody in the club. They respect me a lot. We don't have any problem between each other. So I come to say thank you to everybody. The message for supporters. I want to say thank you since the first day, how you receive me in Makassar with kindness, with respect, and support me during these 4 years. I will leave the club, but I'm not gonna forget all the moments we share together, all the games you support me. Not just me, but the club. I will remember for the rest of my life. I just want to say thank you for these 4 years together, for these 4 years you support me in Pare, in Makassar, everywhere. When we play, you can show your support to me and the club. You was there, you went there. So I just want to say thank you, guys. Thank you for everything you did to me. Thank you for everything you did for my family. Feel like home here in Makassar. Support with everything. And the last, I want to say thank you for first for the president, for the AXA family, how you receive me and my family, not just a football player, as a person, and the most important also, a message for my teammates, a message for the guys behind of the skin, the kitmans, the physio, all the people, the cameraman, the media people, also Yanni. I want to say thank you for these 4 years. We share a lot of moments together. The playing we did in Calegoa, the playing we did sometimes in the hotels, in Pare. thank you for all this memory I will bring with me in my life. I'm not gonna. You will have a place in a special place in my heart. And for my teammates, thank you guys for you support me on the field, to help me at the club, to give my best, and help me to perform well at the club, to help the club to be on the first league, to win the league, and to fight against all the teams. Because alone I cannot do nothing. And every time I spoke with my teammates to go for fight for this club, they be always ready to fight with me. So thank you to the teammates, and also thank you for all the coaches, the technical department. Thank you to show respect for me, to show the love, and also for all the things I learned here at the club. And PSM supporters, I want to ask you guys, don't leave the club. Stay with the club, stay behind the club, support the club everywhere. All the games in Pare, if you can, go there and support the team. Support the team, because we need the clubs and the players need that. Maybe sometime this season we not show a good performance. We not deserve sometimes to be on the top, but support the team, because is the most important thing you can do for the club. And if you are behind the club, the players, the club, for sure PSM will be on the top of the league. This is my message for you guys. And for the last time, I want to say 1, 2, 3, eu acó.